One of the things that I have heard all the time since I've been a member of the school board was that our public schools should put more emphasis on CTE. I've taken that to heart, and I think all of our board members have taken it to heart. When you look at our school board and you look at the responsibility of school boards, we're also always supposed to work and make decisions in the best interest of children as it relates to the entire gamut of education. This was an opportunity for us to make improvements as it relates to CTE. It is an investment for our community, and it's an investment in our children.